Welcome to my channel MedTuber. In this video, we'll be seeing last minute revision points in biochemistry and anatomy. Flexibility, flexibility of protein chain is determined by glycine. Sulfur containing amino acids are cysteine and methionine. Apolipoprotein B48 and B100 belongs to same RNA. Difference between them is due to RNA editing. Coming to urobilinogen is tested with Aries estrous aldehyde test. This is important. Cytochrome oxidase enzyme contains iron and copper. Most important buffer in extracellular fluid is bicarbonate and sulfur dioxide. The normal pH of the blood is 7.4. The range is between 7.35 to 7.45. The commonest enzyme deficiency is deficiency of glucose 6-phosphatase. The triplex DNA is formed because of Hooke-Stijn pairing. This is important MCQ. The CAP of lac-operon is an example of positive regulator. Citrate and ATP, these two inhibit phosphofructose kinase. The semi-essential amino acids are arginine and histidine. Essential fatty acids are arachidonic acid, linolenic acid, and linolenic acid. Base knocking of DNA is done by hyperchromicity. Michaelis-Menten hypothesis states that enzyme-substrate complex formation is essential in enzymatic reaction. Degeneracy of the genetic code denotes existence of multiple codons for single amino acid. This is important. Specific dynamic action is maximum in a protein. Gene duplication leads to maximum evolution of mRNA. Isotope has atomic number. Banding is a method of detecting single gene deletion. Besides liver, gluconeogenesis also occurs in kidney. Number of ATPs formed in conversion of one glycogen to lactate is 3 ATPs. Normal renal threshold for glucose extraction is 180 mg/. Benzoic acid is detoxified by binding with glycine. 8 ATPs are formed in the conversion of alpha ketoglutarate to succinate. This is important. Cori cycle or lactic acid cycle involves blood, liver and muscle. Apolipoprotein B48 and B100 belongs to the same RNA, but the difference between them is due to chemical changes in mRNA and splicing. The key enzyme in the bile acid synthesis is 7-alpha hydroxylase. Okazaki fragments are formed in transcription. Five ATPs are formed by 1 turn of beta oxidation. The normal daily fecal fat excretion in man is 5 grams. Endogenous triglyceride high concentration in plasma is VLDL. Rate limiting step in cholesterol synthesis is HMG-CoA reductase enzyme, which mediates the reaction. Maternal disomy is found in Prader-Willi syndrome. Monkey, man, and guinea pig, these cannot synthesize vitamin C. Histidine is the basic amino acid ketone body produced in starvation is beta hydroxybutyrate. This is important MCQ. The base found in RNA but not in DNA is uracil. Glycogen phosphorylase requires pyridoxine. Messenger RNA attaches to operator codon for regulating protein synthesis. The common feature of enzyme cascade system is feedback inhibition. The process in which amino acid of the amino acid is transferred to the keto acid and the keto group of the keto acids are transferred to the amino acid is called transamination. Alcohol is converted into methanol by reduction. The only tissue where NAD and NADP are equally distributed is the liver. Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Dystrophin gene mutation occur in promoter region. Glutathione peroxidase contains selenium. The most catalytically active enzyme is trypsin. The vitamin important for carboxylation is B7. Biotin. Vitamin which prevents autooxidation is tocopherol. Vitamin essential for biotransamination is B6. Largest carpal bone is capitate. This is important. Ossification center for lunate appears at 4 years. The ossification center of pisiform bone appears at the age of 12 to 13 years. Femoral artery begins at mid-inguinal point, that is between the anti-superior iliac spine and pubic symphysis. The microarray technique is used for detecting genetic transfer of disease. The superficial external pudendal artery is a branch of femoral artery. Popliteal artery is difficult to palpate because it is not superficial and does not pass over prominent bromine structures. Dorsalis pedis artery is a continuation of anterior tibial artery. Line from mid-inguinal point to the adductor tubercle represent the femoral artery. Main blood supply to the head and neck of femur comes from the medial circumflex artery. Coming to Western blot technique, it is done for DNA. Peroneal artery is a branch of posterior tibial artery. Nutrient artery arises to fibula from peroneal artery. The great saphenous vein starts as a continuation of medial marginal vein. The saphenous opening is covered by cribriform fascia. Hunterian perforators are seen in mid-thigh. Gluteus maximus is inserted in iliotibial tract. Gluteus medius is supplied by superior gluteal nerve. Gluteus maximum is supplied by inferior gluteal nerve. These were important. Gluteus medius muscle is supplied by superior gluteal artery. BRCA1 gene is located in which chromosome? That is chromosome 17. Gluteus maximum is involved in the movements from sitting to standing position. Northern blotting is used for identification of mRNA. Tibialis posterior originates from tibia and fibula and interosseous membrane. Extensor hallucis longus is supplied by deep peroneal nerve. Abductor hallucis is in the first layer of the soles. Learn the layer of sole muscles. Popliteus is an intra-articular tendon. The site of insertion. So this is insertion. The site of insertion of gluteus is superolateral. Longest muscle in the body is sartorius. The sacrotuberous ligament represents the origin of long head of biceps femoris. Flexor hallucis longus passes below the sustentaculum talae. Tibialis posterior has attachments on sustentaculum talae. Gastrosoleus is also known as triceps surae. This is very important MCQ. Iliofemoral ligament arises from the anterior inferior iliac spine. Iliofemoral ligament prevents hyperextension of hip. Capsule of the hip joint is attached to the intertrochanteric line. The hip joint is supplied by femoral nerve. Trendelenburg sign is due to paralysis of gluteus minimus. The major extensor of thigh is gluteus maximus. Strongest flexor of hip is iliopsoas muscle. Coronary ligament is present between menisci and the tibial condyle. Oblique popliteal ligament is pierced by the middle genicular branch of popliteal artery. Posterior cruciate ligament prevents posterior displacement of tibia. Transport of ascorbic acid in lens is done by sodium potassium ATPase. The blood supply of anterior cruciate ligament is primarily derived from the middle genicular artery. This is very important MCQ. Anterior cruciate ligament prevents anterior dislocation of tibia. Synovial membrane of knee joint is invaginated posteriorly by cruciate ligament. Physiological locking is internal rotation of the femur over stabilized tibia. Physiological unlocking is caused by popliteus. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe